Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Nigerian smoothie. This refreshing drink is a fantastic way to enjoy fresh fruits and boost your energy. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, focusing on vibrant, ripe produce. Think about using 1 or 2 ripe bananas, 1 large mango, and about 1 cup of pineapple chunks. These fruits provide a wonderful natural sweetness and a creamy texture, forming the perfect base for your delightful beverage. Once you have your ingredients ready, the next step is preparation and blending. First, ensure all your fruits are thoroughly washed and peeled. Then cut them into smaller, uniform pieces to ensure even blending. Combine all your prepared fruits, about 1 cup of milk or yogurt, and a tablespoon of honey into a high-speed blender. Blend on high for about 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. This ensures a perfect, velvety texture. Now, let's explore how to customize your Nigerian smoothie to suit your taste. Feel free to experiment with different fruit combinations. Perhaps try adding a 1/4 cup of berries or a small apple. For an extra nutritional boost, consider incorporating a handful of fresh spinach or kale. You won't even taste it. You can also add a tablespoon of chia seeds or a scoop of protein powder for added substance. Adjust the liquid amount to achieve your preferred thickness, from a thick shake to a lighter drink. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade Nigerian smoothie. Carefully pour the freshly blended mixture into a tall glass. For an appealing presentation, you might garnish it with a thin slice of fruit, a sprig of mint, or a light sprinkle of shredded coconut. It is best enjoyed immediately to savor its fresh flavors and maximize nutrient intake. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours to maintain freshness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.